What is going on YouTube? So on today's episode, I'm down the side of my house. I'm going to be installing a set of double gates just here. So I'll show you the process of that. We got a bit of welding to do, a bit of sheeting, a bit of cutting. So let's get into it. All right, first step, I want to pull 4 or 5 of these sheets off, expose the framework. Let's get it. All right, guys, so I'm going to cut out this bottom hardy, this white part down the bottom here, so let's get it done. All right, so now with the bottom hardy gone, basically what I've done is I've measured my gate from there to that post there. So that middle post is actually in the way. Bottom rail's in the way, top rail's in the way because I want my gate to come out flush with each side. So now what we'll do is we'll cut that rail off, remove this middle post so we can get this gate in. All right, this is what I'm going to be using. Milwaukee bandsaw cordless. All right, so unfortunately the guard's stopping me from getting all the way through, so I'll finish off with the grinder. All right, so I finished the last little cut off with a recipro saw, metal blade. All right, that's all done now. So get rid of this middle post now. Flat batteries. All right, back here with J Builds WA. Basically what I've done is I've got both my gate frames temporary fitted. Just G-clamps holding it so I can check all my heights, make sure my gappage, I'm happy with everything. As you can see, it looks great. So both my tops are dead on. This rail here, I want my gate flush with this rail because then the face stays nice and flush, which is the look we're going for. We don't want to stick. All right, so just the corners here are hitting the welds on the rail. Basically we'll just chamfer off these corners a little bit. And that'll give us a little bit of clearance for that rail. So now I've got that 50 by 50 running all the way down. Now I can sit my hinge wherever I want. All right, so here we are back again. I've got everything dry fitted back on again. As you can see now I've got my 50 by 50 in there, so I've got good fixing now. temporary tack my hinges on. So they obviously just slide on. So now I'll get the other 3 of them hinges on. I'll tack it all up and I'll show you what it looks like. All right, so there you have it, guys. So now I'm just going to fully weld all that off and we'll start sheeting it. Let's get it. Righto, currently 39 degrees. I want to get these gates sheeted so I can sit down and have a cold beer and enjoy my Sunday. So I'll give you a quick tool rundown what I'm going to be running to sheet this fence. I've got chalk line, obviously tape measure, a couple other randoms. I've got the snips, impact 3/8, other snips, Stanley hammer, and I've got me screws. So let's get this sheeted, so we can get out of here. All the shears, great tool. All right, guys, so I think that's it for me for the day. We've got it pretty much all shaded. A couple of rips here, rip there, and then we'll go all the way around them with capping. Give them all a nice edge so there's no sharp edges. I am waiting for my new sheets to come because they're about 100mm longer, just so I can get rid of that gap in the bottom. So it's just creeped up to 40 degrees. It's a bit hot, so I want to sit down and enjoy the rest of my Sunday, have a beer. Again, these are all just temporary sheets until I've got sheets coming that are about 100mm longer. So I'm just missing a couple of rips, but again, these are only temporary. So when my new sheets come, I'll cap all around these gates, make it all look pretty so there's no sharp edges and that to cut yourself on. If you like this sort of content, I do a bit of everything. So if you like what you see, please like and subscribe. I've got a pool install coming up. I'm going to do DIY in my own backyard, fiberglass. So we'll see you on the next one. Cheers.